Hello my dear students as well as viewers. So in this video I am going to show you practically about the applicability of cloud computing. So without any further delay, let's start the class. So now I am going to show you how to install Dropbox as well as how to work with Dropbox. Along with that, I will definitely show you about Google Drive. So let's start. So these are my browsers. Let me start Mozilla Firefox first. Note that your internet connection should be available. Okay? So without that we cannot proceed. So now since my homepage is google.com, over here what I will be doing is I need to just type Dropbox. That's it. The Dropbox official site opens. You have two options. Either you can download it from the official site or you can go to any of the third-party sites. For example, let's suppose you want to directly download from the third-party site, for example FileHippo, you can just simply write Dropbox, after that FileHippo. Hit enter. Over here it is present, download Dropbox. This is the version. As soon as you will click, you can avail over here the Dropbox. The version is 105.4.651. Okay. Download latest version. Let me click over here. As soon as something like this comes, simply just click upon the cross. And over here you can again press download, save file. So check out over here, the download started. Let's wait a bit. So this is it. It is nearly to complete. Okay. It's taking a bit of time. So download complete. Just click single click. Just do a single click. As soon as you will do a single click, the installation file comes. Click on the run button. You need to do a couple of refresh. So till the period of installation, let us check out what is Google Drive all about. So over here, as soon as you will click over here, you can check out different services of Google are present. Out of this, Google Drive option is also present. But note, to access Google Drive, you are supposed to first sign in onto your Google account. Over here you can check out sign in option comes. Just click on to sign in. As soon as you will click over here, you can check out the email option is coming over here. You are just supposed to enter the email account, email ID. Mine I am entering first. Hit enter. After that you are supposed to enter the password. That's it. I have successfully logged in. That is why a pic over here is coming visible. Okay. Now click over here, Google Drive option. So this is it. We are right now inside the cloud service of Google Drive. This My Drive option comes. These are few of the contents of mine. A movie, my pic, this one is also my pic, and a document. Let's suppose I want to delete a document. What I need to do is right click onto that and then click on remove. What will happen is it will go out of the My Drive and it will be stored inside trash as like recycle bin. This is the content. And if you want to remove it from recycle bin also, then what you need to do is you need to just right click and then two of the options come, restore and delete forever. If you will delete forever, things will be vanished permanently, and if you want to restore it back, you can just click on to restore. Things will be again reverted and it will be present onto My Drive. Okay. So this is it. This is the feature. This is a free cloud service feature given by Google. What is start? Start means what? Let's suppose any of the document which is very important to you, you can just give a star mark and that document will be visible over here. What is recent? All the recent activities which I have did will be visible over here. Okay, see all these documents. This particular document I had deleted earlier, a bit earlier. Again I have reverted back. So that is why these things are coming over here. Okay. So before going out, what you need to do is you need to log out. Okay, do not forget you need to log out. Over here it comes sign out. Just click on to sign out. That's it. We are out of the Google Drive services. Okay, this is it. This is the end of the Google Drive. So let's go back to Dropbox. My installation is complete. Something like this comes. Over here, you can simply go to sign in with Google. Click over here. Click upon yes. So basically what it will do is it will try to communicate using the Firefox browser. Since my default browser is Firefox, yours might be anything, Chrome browser or Internet Explorer, anything like that. Okay. So it will redirect you to Google so that you can enter your Google Drive. Continue signing in with Google Drive. That's it. As I said earlier, it will ask to enter your Google email ID. That's it. This is my Google email ID. I will just click upon it. It will ask the permission, that is the password. Hit enter after writing the password, after typing the password, and it will ask your permission. Just click upon allow. That's it. Things are done. You are just supposed to write a password for yourself. And click upon sign up. Okay. This agreeing button is also supposed to be ticked. So we are going to get inside Dropbox. We are signing in for the very first time. Well done, Dropbox installed. Just click upon next. So Dropbox shortcut is been created. Now we can also access the cloud connectivity of Dropbox. Dropbox is also a free featured service of cloud. So in my next video, I will continue with the file uploading, file downloading and all those stuff using Dropbox. Till then, stay safe, stay fit, take care. Bye bye.